DIY Dalia, and today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy DIY 3-tiered glass dessert stand or cake stand or cupcake stand, I guess. I'm going to show you that in step-by-step fashion, and I'm also going to show you how to apply the same principles, or I'm going to show you shots of how I applied the same principles to make a cake stand and a couple other dessert trays for my wedding. I got married a couple months ago and I had this really cute dessert table and all the glass stands I made myself, and it just looks so stunning. So I'm going to show you some shots of that as well. If you want to know how I did it, just keep watching. And right now I'm going to take you along with me to the thrift store, aka I actually went to the thrift store a couple days ago, but I'm going to show you some shots of that and my journey there and what I pick up. Okay, here we go. At Dalia Village, and I think I have what I need for the plate part of the cake stand. So for the base, we have this big plate, flat and exactly what I need, $7. And then for the top part, we have a little glass plate like this, and it's $1. It's actually 2 for $1, but I'm just gonna get one of them. So I think we're good to go. I'm gonna head home now. Okay, bye. Okay, so we're back from the thrift store. As you just saw, we picked up the big plate and the little plate. Initially, I was thinking of just stacking one on top of the other and just working with the 2 plates that I just bought. But then when I got home, I realized I had an extra plate from my wedding, also from the thrift store. I think this was 2 for $2 or something like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stack the 3 of them and make a 3-tiered stand because I think that would be awesome, and I haven't made one of those before. In addition to those things, you also need 2 candlestick holders from the Dollar Tree, $1.25 each in Canada and $1 in the US. So super, super affordable. These I highly recommend. And then last but very not least, you need your E6000 glue because it's industrial strength, and that's what you're gonna need to make sure that your cake stands don't fall apart and are super sturdy. Okay, so let's get started, guys, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do is quickly just do a test run by setting up how you want your cake stand to look. So this one obviously on the bottom, this one going the right way up, and then taking the middle. For this candlestick, I'm gonna flip it upside down, kind of match it up. And then finally, I'm gonna do the small plate right on top. The reason why I'm gonna suggest that you kind of do a bit of a test run is so that you can tell exactly how it's gonna look. So after you do that, disassemble everything, and you can get started with the glue. I can't open the glue. Help me with the glue, help me with the glue. Okay, so once I've got the glue, I'm just gonna put a little bit of glue along the edge, a good line, I'd say. And then you're just gonna make sure you line it up in the center. Next, what you're gonna wanna do is just set that aside and then work on the very top piece. So that would be these. So I'm actually gonna flip the top one over. So again, exact same process. I'm just gonna take the E6000 glue and I'm gonna do a little line all the way around. And then I'm gonna flip this around and exact same thing, I'm just gonna put it right in the middle. And now we're just gonna let this sit for a couple minutes before we assemble the whole thing. We're back. Instead of leaving it for just a couple minutes, I would really recommend leaving this part for maybe about 20 to 30 minutes so it's really quite stuck and not jiggling around with a little bit of pressure. What you're just gonna do is you're gonna get your medium plate out and now put it right along this edge. And now lining this up. And lastly, what you're gonna do is place some E6000 right on this last bit, match it right up. Now you're just gonna leave this for about, I think it says 72 hours. So you're gonna leave this for 72 hours till it reaches the maximum strength, and then it's gonna be ready to use. So we're gonna wait that time, and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like. like that video. If you did, leave a comment down below and let me know how it went. You know, I just think for being able to make a cupcake stand for under $20, you know, a cake stand for maybe $10, compared to the cost of maybe $100 you would spend if you bought it from an actual store. And just the satisfaction of really making it yourself, it's so worth it. Good luck if you guys try and make it yourself. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you again soon.